Deja.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Yeah, for sure. So I have my Sony headphones, got these from Amazon. This right here, this layering piece, I got this from Urban Jungle, L Chain. This piece under here, I got this from Shein. This is also, my bralette was thrifted.
Yes,
My skirt from Shein. I got my leg warmers from Beacon's Closet, and then I have my Doc Martens down here from Doc Martin.
Never seen this before, so sick.
Thank you.
And do you have a fashion inspiration?
As of right now, no, I do not. I honestly love New York as a whole for its fashion purposes, everything like that. Everyone has their own drip, own swag. So, I kind of take that and see what everyone else is wearing right now and take it in and kind of just make it in my own. Not like utilizing other people's, fashion sense and everything like that, but just taking, what's trending, whatever, and make it into my own, basically.
Do you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a long time that you haven't been able to get your hands on it just yet? Or do you kind of just shop as you go?
I kind of shop as I go, but as of right now, I think I want some Rick Owens sneakers.
Yeah.
I could get my hands on those, just haven't made the investment yet, but
right.
Yeah.
And my last question isn't really fashion related, but if you could clone yourself, you suddenly have a twin, would you do it?
No, I don't think so. I kind of feel like a part of that, you guys are kind of connected in a way, and everyone kind of looks at you as one sometimes. At least that's what I see in twins.
And you want to keep your individuality.
Yeah, just me. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You too. Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Casket.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today? The color coordination is on point.
Thank you. I was a little worried that the grays don't match, but I guess it looks straight. So
yeah, it definitely does.
This is Junior Watanabe, North Face. My friend Yori made these pants. They got like pockets and stuff.
They all have pockets. They all work.
I got my mask right here.
Oh, I'm obsessed. I need one.
These are Doc Martens.
Nice.
So not nothing crazy. And my Telfar backpack.
Oh my god! I didn't know they had a Telfar
Yeah.
backpack.
AirPod Max, my film camera. That's pretty much it, low key. Oh yeah, hold on. I got this too.
Fire. What does that say?
Hot model sex. Swag.
What would you say your fashion inspiration is?
Myself.
There you go.
I feel like if you take inspiration from other people, you're just doing and wearing whatever they think is cool. And it's not really pure, you feel me? So like everything just comes from me.
Do you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on?
Yes. Dior 06 glitter pants. They're like $3,000. And I'm a broke college student, so I can't really spend $3K on jeans right now.
And anything yourself?
Yeah, in high school. I made a couple pairs of pants, but like after a while I took the stuff that was off them, like I sewed patches because I hated them. But I plan on like making my own clothes sooner or later.
Gotcha. And my last question isn't really fashion related, but if you could clone yourself right now, you suddenly have a twin, same age, same height, would you do it?
Yeah, I would.
And why is that?
Because I feel like he could help me do so much. I'm a videographer, and like I do photography, and I also model. So it's kind of hard, like, I'm saying, being between both scenes, because sometimes I want to take my own pictures, but I can't, you feel me? So if I had a twin, we could, swap.
Yeah.
I model him, take pictures of me and stuff like that, yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
No problem. Thank you.
Loving the fit.
Should we give our real names?
Should we give fake names?
It's recording. She knows.
Hi, what are your names?
I'm Sam.
I'm Mateo.
Nice to meet you. Can you guys walk me through your outfit today?
Yeah, I'm wearing this vest, even though it's like kind of way too hot out. And then I ripped this Dickies shirt. It's covered in paint still. It's actually the exact outfit I wore last night. And these are MFG bonded jeans that are way too big for me. And then Docs.
I want to steal those.
You can steal them.
I want to borrow them.
Deal.
This shirt, one of my friends from school, her dad designs these clothes. The company went out of business, but they still sell a bunch of like archive pieces. But she gave me this in exchange for a pair of IMGA pants.
That's a good trade. That's a good trade.
Yeah. This skirt is, I think it's vintage Algonquins, which is.
Did you add the chain or did it come with
It actually came with it. It kind of broke. But it's cool. It has like a pair of shorts underneath.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
I've never seen a piece like that.
I think you can take this part off technically for it to just be shorts, but I haven't gone that far into it yet. And I'm just wearing some leg warmers because I thought it was going to be colder than it was. And my new rocks. It's hot.
Yeah, it's super hot. And are these London, Buffalo London?
No, these are new rocks.
Oh, okay.
I wear them a lot.
Where'd you get
as
those?
you can see. I got them on the New Rock website when I was getting unemployment, so I could afford it.
New Rock website.
And what is your guys' fashion inspiration?
Flyleaf, the band.
Flyleaf the band.
Flyleaf the band.
Emo grunge music.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, garbage.
Yeah, all of that.
Not the band though, like actual garbage.
Gosh. Do either of you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
Oh my god.
I want a pair of Bottega boots for the yuppie in me, but not really.
What color would you get them in?
Brown. Yeah.
Brown is, I
Yeah.
fucking love brown. I'm wearing black today, but I feel like half of
Yeah.
the time I'm wearing like full brown.
Yeah, brown is good for my pale ass
Which is
skin.
crazy because I had a period of time of hating brown for sure.
Me too.
Same.
Yeah.
I was
it's
like
bad.
all black.
Yeah, no. We just dirt.
Yeah.
Grime.
Yeah. Really,
And
it's
if
like
you guys were a designer, what would be the first thing you'd like to design?
I don't know. I've always wanted to make like baby tees.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's probably like where I would start if I was to.
I'd probably make like a lot of draped skirts. Like I just really like dimension stuff. So maybe a lot of like pull ties and like ruching, weird parachute, like
Yeah, I'm
vintage
really into
diesel
textures and stuff
energy.
like that. And my
Yeah.
last question isn't really fashion related, but if you could clone yourself right now, you suddenly have another you, a twin, would you do it?
Yes.
I think both of us need the extra help.
Yeah, honestly.
mentally
Oh my
and
God.
physically.
That reminded me of the
spiritually.
first question that Rob ever asked me,
Yep.
or Soul, when I
Soul.
met them. And they were like, if you had a twin them, and I still don't have an answer for that.
I still just
Yeah.
don't know why
I
they
don't-
wanted to ask that to everyone. Off rip.
First
but
question. I mean, it really opens up knowing the person, I guess. I still don't know, though. I don't really know.
Fair
Would you?
Sounds scary. Nah, I don't know.
I think I would appreciate their help way too much.
True.
I really need the help.
Keep it platonic.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Thank you
platonic.
guys so much.
You're welcome.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
You
Thank
too.
Hi, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Grace.
Nice to meet you. Can
Nice
you
to
walk me
meet you.
through your outfit today?
Yeah, of course. So I'm wearing this like long tee that I love with these like kind of stringy things on it. I think I got this at like Buffalo Exchange or something. And then I'm wearing this really cool skirt from Left Hands LA.
Oh, I love this skirt.
And I'm obsessed with it.
We're hiding some
I was
details.
hiding a little bit because I just like the kind of lace coming down the bottom. But yeah, I honestly like my fits are usually like very well planned out, but today you kind of caught me. I was just like on.
Something casual.
Yes, yeah, because I'm selling today. I've been very busy, so my fits have been a lot more like just focused on comfort and
You
yeah.
look comfy.
Thank you,
I like
yes.
how it's like free flowing.
Yes, yeah, that's the vibe for this summer. I'm not trying to like pop out in like a little mini like shorts or whatever. I like the cozy, like comfy. Yeah.
And talk to me about
Yes.
some of the pieces that you
Yes,
made here.
yeah.
Your friend told me that you just finished this one last night.
Yes, I did. Yeah. So my brand is called Purities, and I've had it for about 2 years. And so I've had 4 seasonal collections that have been released. So all of this stuff is from the last collection, except for this one. This one is part of the new one, and I just thought that I'd see what people thought of it. And yeah, all this stuff is from the last collection. I was really inspired by like here you can kind of see this one like there's just logos. I have this same style, but a lot of these logos I would do like college like logos. So I had when I said Stanford and stuff like that. This one is actually not mine. This one I just I got this at a thrift store, and I just wanted to sell some stuff today. So this one's not mine. Props to whoever the artist is. I love their stuff. Yeah.
And this lovely skirt over
Yes,
here, did you make this
I did. So this one was my favorite skirt. It was it was actually long. It was like floor length, but I decided to cut it because I have actually been going to like a little bit like I've been dipping my toes into like going to raves and stuff like that, and I was like very inspired by a lot of the like outfits that I would see at these parties, a lot different from like the normal clubbing that I usually do. I'm out a lot. I think that like nightlife really inspires me. So going to different parties and seeing what different people were wearing. So that's what this was inspired by. Yeah.
I'm obsessing over this skirt.
Thank you.
What's your fashion inspiration?
I actually don't know how to answer that, because I think there's a difference between what I actually wear and like the things that I produce versus like the things that I am naturally attracted to. So I think in terms of designers, like Helmut Lang, Eckhaus Lada, Maison Margiela, I love those designers. I would say those are my favorites. Elena Velez, Saint Sintra, people like that, people that have a lot of like, the beauty is in the craft of it. It's not necessarily like logos and stuff like that. It's in the handcrafted beauty of it. So I think those are the people that inspire me. And recently I've been trying to tone down my style a little bit more and like have more minimalist pieces. So yeah, I think that I definitely take inspiration from those people. Yeah.
I love that.
Yes.
And do you remember the very first thing you ever designed?
Let's see. I'm trying to think of what it was. Oh yeah, I made these pants that actually kind of remind me of this skirt. I was going to a festival and I wanted to kind of create a custom look for myself. So I had these vintage Levi pants, and I decided to put some patches on them. So I did the same thing as this. I printed out a patch on this like special paper, ironed it on, and then I painted on it. So I started how I got into designing clothes was through my art. So I started with, I've been painting for 5 years, doing like really large abstract pieces. And then from there I started like painting on my clothes. So the first thing I ever made was like, it had elements of like painting on it.
And some patchwork.
Yeah, that was the first thing I ever made. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
Hi, what's your name?
Hello, Aileen. My name is Aileen.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today? Where did you get your shirt? I really like it.
I got the shirt at a thrift store in Lisbon, which is where I'm from. And
in where?
In Lisbon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And yeah.
I wanted to see the little button details. These are so cute.
Yeah. They are super.
And can I see your hair dye? It looks really cool as well. Purple's my favorite color. What do you say your fashion inspiration is?
I think the streets, I would say. Like being outside and I guess letting people like cross you and be inspired by that. So like you inspire me kind of thing, like everyone kind of inspires me. And then Arca was like an artist that I really love.
What's your name again?
Arca.
Arca?
Yeah.
Okay, and where did you get your choker and your earring?
My earring was in a thrift store here in New York. And the choker was like a person who makes like art. I don't know, like an artisan. And it was in Rio, in Brazil.
Ooh, that's so cool. So well traveled. I'm jealous. Do you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on it just yet?
No. Once I saw these colorful shorts in the thrift store. And I really wanted them, but I haven't found them since. But that's it, yeah.
Okay. And if you were a designer, what would be the first thing you would like to design?
I would really like to design like a very good, comfortable, and also colorful binder.
Binder?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Because they probably don't make them colorful, right?
No, yeah. I mean, I haven't seen any, so I feel like that's something I would like to make, yeah.
Nice. And my last question isn't really fashion related, but if you could clone yourself right now, you suddenly have a twin, same age, same height, would you do it?
No.
Why is that?
I don't know. I guess I'm already like, I already feel like I'm too many people. So
Fair enough.
I don't think I want another one.
And did you put the safety pins on your shirt yourself?
Yeah, it was actually inspired by a friend, but I did it to hold it so it would be shorter.
Oh,
so I can show her that too. Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
Hi, nice to see you
My friend
too.
actually spotted you. She was
Yes.
I was like, oh my god, 2 times. We have to get the fit again today.
Of course.
Amazing as
Thank you so
always.
much.
Tell me
You
about
do
your
too.
outfit. Thank you.
The top and the skirt are thrifted. I got them maybe like a month ago. Then the jacket is also thrifted. I got it on like Poshmark, so on
I've
mine.
been waiting to find a good leather jacket.
Yes, they're out there. You just gotta look. And then Adidas Sambas, they're also thrifted. And then the socks are Marc Jacobs.
I love the socks, the skirt,
And the bow.
the bow too, and that necklace.
I got it at one of these little like stands, the gem, and then I added it on a cord.
What do you have planned today?
Not much. I wanted to pick up some stuff from the new Heaven drop today, so I went there. And
Anything good?
I got a little tea, like the fishy tea. And yeah, they had some cool stuff. I'm glad I stopped by.
I love that. Thank you so much for stopping again.
Of course.
Enjoy the rest of your day. And
You
everybody,
too,
y'all need to
you too.
subscribe to her YouTube channel, Ariel McKenna. You already know.
And subscribe here as well. Subscribe to your girl.
Love you. Thank you.
Of course.
Have a good rest of your day. Oh wait, I didn't get the bag. Let me get the bag. Thank you again. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Allie.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me
Nice
through your
to meet
outfit
you.
today? You
Okay,
look
sure.
So stinking cute.
I am wearing. You want me to get down the stairs?
Yeah.
Let me come down the stairs. I am wearing
Here in the sun.
a CC Cat dress. That's the brand. It's doll number 9 in pink. And I'm wearing a pink bonnet. And this is my Usakumya from Baby the Starshine Break.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
And believe it or not, I got these shoes on Amazon.
The shoes?
Yeah.
I love that they came with the little chains, right? Mm-hmm. And your socks, where are those from?
Those are from Devil Inspired.
Love it.
And of course I have my nails. I get them done at Apple Nails in Bayonne, New Jersey.
So cute. And is this a necklace or is that just, oh, that's on the bow. Is that a pin you put on there
it's
yourself?
part of the bow.
Oh,
It came with
love
it.
it. I love that it came with it.
And I got my glasses from I Buy Direct. And yeah.
And what would you say your fashion inspiration is?
Harajuku fashion. I love Mana Sama. She's like a Lolita from the 80s that like kind of was a big part of the movement, and she was a gothic Lolita, but I just love like Harajuku fashion. I love Japanese street fashion. I feel like there's not enough of it in New York, so like it's pleasant to run in. There are Lolitas, like there's community here. It's small, but we do exist. And we have tea parties together, and
So cute.
yeah, and we go to Japanese bookstores and you know all kinds of stuff like
I
that.
love that. Do you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on it just yet?
Oh man. Well, actually, to be honest, it was this dress because it was out of stock at the store that I knew to get it from. And I have a friend named Gloria from Malaysia, and she goes Taobao shopping with me, which Taobao is like a Chinese, it's like a mix between like Amazon and eBay kind of deal, and you can buy Lolita clothing there. And I was able to find the dresses that like my dream dresses that I wasn't able to
so
get.
happy you got your dream dress.
Yeah.
And if you were a designer, what do you think you would love to design first?
Oh man, definitely a Lolita dress. Like I would want to do sweet Lolita.
And what color would you make it?
Maybe like pink and blue, or like black and pink.
I see that. And my last question isn't really fashion related, but if you could clone yourself right now, you suddenly have a twin, same age, same height, would you do it?
That would be really weird. No.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
Have a
you
great
so much.
rest of your day.
You too.
You look so cute.
Mwah.